Yeah, so when I started the business, the quartz surfaces was really taking off and was quickly becoming the most popular choice for countertops. The problem was that no one knew how to fix it, including me. I was new to everybody, so I was kind of feeling my way and working with manufacturers at the time who really, truly didn't understand the repair side of it either. And there was nothing really on the market. There was a few things out there, but nothing that really worked. And I knew that there was another aha moment that I knew that if I was going to be successful with this repair thing, that I had to figure it out. So it took me about a year of trial and error, basically coming home, just working through different solutions. I was blessed to be able to basically work out those potential solutions in the field. And didn't work, I just go back to the drawing board. So it took about a year of figuring things out and came up with this solution for repairing quartz. And that opened up a whole new portion of the business. And now we're considered a manufacturer as well, because we have 14 distributors in 5 different countries that are using that product. So it's been really awesome to see, just from those humble beginnings, figuring things out in my garage, to now we have, distributors in UK and Australia and Canada that have customers using the product. So it's been pretty awesome.